Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am going to show you guys how I am going to make rice water. And I am going to leave it sitting up for about 12 to 24 hours. So, I will be rinsing my hair pretty soon with rice water because I want the breakage to stop. I don't want to have so much shedding in my comb when I get ready to comb my hair. So I am going to do this rice water. Well, let me just show y'all how I'm going to make it. Now I notice a lot of people rinse their rice, but I rather have all the rice residue in my water. So I will not be rinsing my rice. You can use any brand rice, which I got the Nun brand. You can use brown rice, whatever rice you prefer. But I rather use the white rice, the long grain. So I have my teaspoon measurement here. You really don't have to measure. You can just eyeball it or whatever preference you may choose. And I have a mason jar here that I am using. I put about 3 scoops. Let's see. I'm going to put about 4 scoops of the white rice. And then I am going to pour tap water over into the jar. Fill it up to the top. This is what I want to see. I don't want to rinse my rice. This is the residue that I want, because I feel that it will be, you know, stronger for my hair. This is me, but I don't know about anyone else, so I will not rinse my rice. So you guys, they said when you get ready to open it, to use it, that rice water will smell horrible. So I am going to add some peppermint. Hope I got some in here. Peppermint oil. Don't seem like I got, maybe a few drops I have left over in here. Go ahead and remove the top off. Okay, that's about 4 drops, which I done ran out of. I got to get some more peppermint oil. And I do know where to pick up some from Rouse grocery store. And I have some eucalyptus oil that I'll go ahead and put a few drops of it into my rice water, just to make it smell good. Okay, that's about maybe 12, 14 drops. Now I'm going to I am going to stir it. And this is my top that I'm going to place over on my jar. This is my rice water, and I will set it in the refrigerator between 12 hours to 24 hours. And my next use will be using the rice water on my natural hair. So this is how I make my rice water, you guys. Stay tuned for another video coming your way. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos, but if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.